Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. So Solana has actually followed nicely the suggested and proposed roadmap that we talked about in the video yesterday. I also communicated the idea that we would test this support region. Communicated that in yesterday's update on Discord. The price has reacted yesterday to this Fibonacci resistance area that was located between $157.50 and $165. The idea was that we would get another leg down into support, which is unchanged and still located between $139.59 and $147.80. So this is the key support area that now needs to hold for the white scenario. Remember that yesterday, this is our section here on Discord where we provide the updates. The idea yesterday was that I assume that circle wave 4 has started with support, well, in the mentioned area. Once the wave B is complete, it should be possible to calculate a target for wave C. We can do that right now because the price, I think just shortly after that update, it reacted to the yellow trend line and to the resistance area and then moved down into support. So it's followed our roadmap perfectly yesterday. I have taken the microstructures off just to have a little bit, just to see a little bit better here. And you can see that we've pretty much maxed out. I mean, talking about target calculation here. Yes, we have a support area that goes down to 139.59, but ideally, if this was really a C wave down, it shouldn't really break, at least not sustain below $142.95. Okay, we sometimes do get distortions on the smaller time frames, but I can tell you that already below 143, alternative scenarios need to be thought about. And as per previous updates, this is not a stable structure anyway. You might remember that I highlighted, look, we had some good structures in recent weeks. Sui, Rune, maybe Ondo, maybe FET. Solana, definitely not. It is, as per previous updates, just a corrective rally here. And that's obviously, now if the price can't turn around here, we have to think about, okay, what else could it be? What else could it be? What would be the, let's say, bearish alternative? Now, it shouldn't be a surprise that there is a wave 4 down here and that it is one of my scenarios that the price is testing the lower support area. But one way of getting there is in this white A, B, C structure with one more high in wave 5 of C of B and then down. However, if we get a break below support, it would indicate that we go down more directly. And then I've added this microstructure here, just highlighted in blue. It's just a slightly different pathway. And in this scenario, we would count it as an AB and a C wave down. And the C wave would be a 5-wave move. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once we have waves 1 and 2 complete, we can calculate the targets for waves 3, 4, and 5. So I would definitely prepare for it, but I will not confirm it until we see a break below support. So a break below $139.59. It would then need to be further confirmed with a corrective rally that forms a lower high before we then go down further. So the blue count is highly likely, I would say, but it requires a break below support to really confirm it further. So yeah, this is what I'm tracking at the moment here for Solana. Obviously, the blue count will be invalidated with a break above the Sunday high that was formed at around $161.50. That means, in summary, the market has done what we needed it to do. The price has now arrived at the next decision point. Not a super important one, because in both scenarios, the price could easily still go down lower. Only really a break above $179.72 would open the door for something more bullish, but I just don't trust the structure. I mean, look at this. This is just overlapping corrective mess. This is so the C wave up would be a diagonal anyway in white, and therefore I think a test of the lower support area is very likely. However, first of all, let's see if we can hold $139.59. I don't want to get directly bearish as long as we're holding above support, but it should also be clear that from the Sunday high, the trend is down now, and we would need to see some kind of an impulsive reaction, or at least a rally above the Sunday high to suggest that the white wave 4 has bottomed. So this is the area where we can watch for that reversal, and it's now the time for it to turn up, for the bulls to turn up, maybe one more low, but anything below 139.59 is more clearly the blue scenario. That's the update about Solana. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.